Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the useradd command in Linux, a powerful tool for adding new users securely and efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or building a home lab, this tutorial is for you. Useradd is a Linux command for creating a new user. It requires various options to add and set up an active user account. Additionally, the command allows changing default values for the user creation process. Useradd is a low-level portable command available on all Linux distributions. To see how useradd works, I will run the following command in my terminal. And the basic syntax for this command is sudo useradd, then the username that you want to add. After entering the sudo password, the command creates a new user with his username Victor and doesn't produce an attribute. Useradd automatically applies pre-configured option from the /etc/useradd file. However, the user requires additional setup with the password command to use the account. To add the user with a home directory, we will use the command sudo useradd -m John. This creates a new user called John and set up his home directory at /home/John. To add comments, use the command sudo. So this is how we add comments. I'm going to show you how to set a password after user creation. So for me to set a password, I'll use the command sudo passwd John. I've successfully added John's password. Common mistake and tips. Forgetting -m creates a user without a home directory. I've successfully shown you how the add user and also useradd works. Today, we covered the useradd command in Linux, from basic to advanced use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux and cybersecurity content. See you on the next one.